throwing stuff. I'm not on the floor anymore. Are you guys proud of me? Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly and welcome to KaylayCreates. Today I'm doing another Boxycharm review and I'm really excited about it. Also, if you have noticed, I have moved. So that's why I have had a couple of videos that I filmed on the same day. I pre-filmed all of them so that I could move and not think about it. I'm not really completely moved in, hence the boxes and stuff like that. But I just really wanted to sit down and film today, and today I have my newest Boxycharm. I actually got it shipped here, so I'm really excited that I was able to do that so easily. And this month it is eye candy. That is the thing. It's a little fold out thing this time instead of a card. And I'm really freaking excited. It's really pretty. The colors are really pretty and they like all to go together this time and they make me really happy. Like, I don't know if you can see this, like it just matches and it makes me happy on the inside. But the first thing in my box is this Pores No More vacuum cleaner. It is from Dr. Brandt and it goes for $47 originally, which is crazy. It says, this award-winning pore refining mask is an extraction specialist, unclogging and tightening the look of pores and reducing excess oil from the skin's surface. So it looks like that is the first thing that I can use. And for the recommendations for how to use it, it says, after cleansing, apply a thin layer to areas of concern, avoid eyes, leave on 5 to 10 minutes until dry. A cooling sensation will occur. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Use 2 to 3 times per week for maximum results. Cool. So then I am gonna go wash my face and then I will come back to apply this. Okay, so my face is all clean and I'm ready to go. So it says to apply it to areas of concern. I don't really have areas of concern. I have like a healing pimple here, but it's kind of just a scab at this point. So I'm just gonna put it on my cheek area and a little bit on my forehead and my nose because that's where I get more pores. It says to put on a thin layer. Oh, it has a little... Ooh. It smells like typical Dr. Brandt, where it has like a tingling smell. Has little tiny like blue specks in it. Can you see that? Oh, the blue things explode. Okay. Putting a very thin layer right. Okay, so I have it on my face. I am also going to put a little bit on that healing pimple. And then I will be back in 5 to 10 minutes and I will let you know how it's feeling. Right now it feels very cool on my face, like actually cold. So that's kind of cool. I will be back. Okay, so it's been about 7 minutes and I am back. I didn't expect it to like dry on my face. So I am blue. The thing that I did notice while I was doing the mask is that it says that it's for oily and combination skin. If I knew that, I wouldn't have put that all over my face because I have very dry skin. So it's definitely gonna really dry out like my forehead and cheeks. I would have just put it on my nose and my little pimple thing. It feels very cooling, so I feel like once I rinse it off, it's gonna feel very tingly and very nice. So I'm gonna go rinse that off and be right back, and I will tell you how I feel about it. I am back again. I rinsed it all off my face, and it does feel pretty dry now. Maybe I shouldn't have put it all over my face. Maybe I should have read the directions completely. So I think next time I'm gonna use it, I might just use it more on my nose to pull all the pores, all the stuff out of my pores, because it does feel like it really did clean out my pores on my nose. I just feel a little bit tight on my cheeks and forehead, but that makes sense for an oily, for a product for oily skin. So I really like it. It feels like it really did clean my pores. It's just that it's not very good for my skin type, which is funny because I put on my thing that I have dry skin, so I don't know if maybe they were just like, whatever, let's give it to everyone, and didn't really think about that this month. So actually I'm gonna put on a little bit of moisturizer, and then I'll be back for the second product. So as you guys all know, I start out with my eyebrows when I do my makeup. The next product in this box is the BrowGal's Instant Tinted Eyebrow Gel. It says that it's tinted eyebrow gel with microfibers to achieve a natural hair look, perfect for the customer who wants a quick but natural fill to their brows. I typically don't go for natural for my brows, but we will see. It says that I got it in the color brown, which doesn't really make sense because I have blonde hair and I also have that put in my preferences. I don't know if they really looked at your preferences this month. I don't know. We'll see if the color looks okay. It says that it normally goes for $22, which is kind of a lot for a brow product that's not like a cult classic. But we will see. You never know. I might absolutely love this. I have pretty full brows, so you never know. I might absolutely love it. I need to brush out my eyebrows. I'm not completely unpacked, so all of my brushes are all pushed together. I guess I'll use this thing. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Cute matte bottle. Oh, it's a very tiny brush. I was expecting it to be bigger. You can kind of see little microfibers popping off of it. So I'm just gonna brush it on. Okay. I used to be obsessed with these eyebrow tints. When I was just learning how to do makeup, I didn't really bother with my brows. It's not bad. Maybe I'll use this. I kind of like it. Feels like it's really keeping my brows in place. Like it's very gluey, which is kind of cool. They look very natural. They just look a little bit darker, so you can actually see my eyebrows, which is kind of cool. This might be a new staple for me. I like this. This might be a good everyday thing when I'm just kind of running to the store. I like this. I'm gonna prime my eyes and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just primed with my typical Inglot eye primer, because the next product we get is another eye product, which I love when I get eye products in my Boxycharm. The next is, just wait how cute this is. It's My Little Pony. The little girl in me is like literally screaming. I used to love My Little Pony when I was like really little, before it was like a show and everything. I'm so excited. I used to like collect the little, they weren't even little at that point. They were like pretty big. They were ponies. And it was my older cousin's ponies that I used to get. Oh. But the palette's from ColourPop, which I'm really excited about. It is the My Little Pony eyeshadow palette, and it normally goes for $16, which is really affordable. So if I really like this, go ahead and get it. It says that it's, explore the palette inspired by their colorful personalities and magical cutie marks. From shimmery glitters and wearable mattes to bright pops of color and surprising iridescence, you can imagine the looks you create with this little palette. Friendship is magic when you're friends with this sparkly crew. That's so cute. Oh, the palette looks different. Okay, so that's what the palette looks like. The little rainbow with a bunch of ponies on it. The back also has all the shade names, which is nice for us YouTubers. Look how pretty that is. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I want to use this blue like really bad. Okay, so I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna use this little flat brush that I just randomly found with this white shade, which is called Butterscotch, to put all over my lid to set my primer. Oh, this light color has a shimmer on it. I don't have the best lighting right now, so I didn't notice. So I guess I'm putting shimmer all over. It's fine. Next, to put in the crease, I'm going to put this peach color, which is called Applejack. Are they all the names of the ponies? Oh my god, that makes me so happy. They're all pony names. So I'm going to pop this into the crease. Oh, it's pigmented. Hello. Wow, ColourPop. Killing it with the pigment. Actually, last weekend I was literally just playing with My Little Ponies with my little cousin. She would be going nuts. She's only 4. And she would be going nuts. Okay. I just did a purple eye look, but this is like all purples. Like I could have done such a good one. Next I'm going to deepen it up with this purple shade right up here. That is the shade Skydancer. I desperately want to use this blue. I'm going food shopping after this, so you know what, screw it. I'm going to use the blue. Then I'm going to wet this brush with my LA Girl setting spray. Oh, I got it all over my mirror. Okay, that happened. And then I'm going to dip into that blue color, which is calling me, and that is Twilight. Pretty pigmented. Oh, yes. I haven't played with makeup in so long, I'm like going a little nuts. And I'm going to go back in with that same purple shade and just blend it out. It's a little harsh. And then I'm going to go into this dark purple shade up here called Princess Sparkle and just put that on the outer corner a little bit more to deepen a little bit. Smoke it out. That's a little crazy eye look. It's fine. I like this palette. I like it. I'm very excited about it. Okay. I have like all the boxes all over my desk. Okay, then I am going to clean up underneath and do some eyeliner and my face makeup. And I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm getting there with my face, and the next product that I have is a highlighting product, which I always love. It is this bad boy right here. It is the Tarte Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter. It goes for $29 originally. Sorry, my dog's licking himself again. It says, glow like a goddess with this creamy highlighter that builds from sheer to intense. Ultra concentrated pigments and pearls are suspended in the hybrid gel cream oil-free formula that you can mix with your liquid foundation or wear alone for a naturally lit luminosity. Infused with rose water, it slips softly into skin and keeps moisture in with tapered squeezable packaging to put the highlight exactly where you want it. That's a long one. That is a long description. Doesn't say anything on the outside, but it has a pretty box. The inside, I don't even know which one I got. Ooh. It says that it's the shade Stunner. And it doesn't say what I'm supposed to do with it. It says that I could mix it in with my foundation, which I didn't do. Yeah. Oh, and I didn't even say there's 2 coupons on the back. For Dr. Brandt, never mind, that's not even a coupon. For Tarte, there's a 10% off, and it's valid from 4/15, which is the day that I'm filming this today, to 5/15. It's on Tarte.com, and for 10% off, you use the code AprilBoxy, all one word, and all uppercase. So you guys can use that if you want, if you're not Boxycharm subscribers yet. Stop licking. Okay, so this is the little thingy. I'm gonna try and use it as an actual highlighter. Night! Stop! Sorry you have to hear that. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Okay, I used too much, for sure. Whoa. Can you see that? Whoa. That is intense. Oh my god, I keep smearing it more and more and more. Okay, next time I'm totally not going to use so much. Ah, this is super intense. Look at this. I look like I'm like exploding everywhere with glitter. Whoa, not even glitter, because it's really just shimmery. It's not like super glittery, which is cool. Do you see that? Whoa. Beauteous. I like this stuff. I think I'm gonna definitely play with this more. I love highlighters and I love this kind of stuff. This would look really nice mixed in with my foundation, but I also really like it as a blinding highlighter. Awesome. I want to finish up my face and then I'll be right back. Okay, so that's it for my eyes and my face. So the very last product is this. It is the, I think you say it as Adesse. High definition liquid lipstick. It says it originally goes for $24, and it says that luxurious, creamy, long-wearing liquid lipstick provides the dazzling full coverage of a lipstick with the ease of wand applicator. This doesn't sound like it's complete English. It sounds a little broken. Made with advanced polymers and intense pigments for long-lasting brilliant color and intense shine in a single sweep. Cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, EU compliant. Wow, okay. Everything in this box is cruelty-free. That makes me so happy. That means I can use everything on a normal basis. Okay, so the color that I got is... doesn't have a shade name. So the lips don't really go with the eyes, but it's fine. I like it. This is the finalized look. I'm just going to spray myself with a little setting spray. And this is everything. Everything in this box I really liked. And I wish the mask said on it that it was drying, but whatever, not a big deal. I'm really excited. Again, Boxycharm killed it. And for a little bit of information on Boxycharm, it is $21 a month. It ships in the second week, or usually like the 10th-ish of the month, and I usually get it in the middle of the month. You get 5 full-size products every month, and you always get way more than what you pay for, which I don't really understand how they get away with that, but whatever. And yeah, anyway, thank you for watching this video. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, or if there's any other subscriptions you want me to try, leave a comment down below. And if you like me, subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. I'm trying to post every week, but with moving, it's been a little bit crazy. But thank you for joining me in this roller coaster of a Boxycharm, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.